Children, this is chapter 7, types of houses. In previous chapter 6, you studied that a house is one of our basic facility like food and clothes. Basic facility means a place where you get all minimum comforts, जहाँ पर आपको कम से कम सभी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हों, जैसे बिजली, पानी, किचन एरिया and everything. It protects us from bad weather, thieves, and robbers. Even animals are also provided with some provisions. Children, provisions means the things which are very necessary to keep them safe. For example, tiger and zebra have stripes on their bodies to hide themselves. Polar bears have thick fur to save them from extreme coldness. जैसे कि पोलर रीजन 12 महीने बर्फ़ से ढके रहते हैं, तो ऐसी ठंड से बचने के लिए नेचर ने पोलर बेयर्स को मोटी फर दी है. Children, next is building a house mainly depends upon 3 factors. First is climate condition of a place. अगर किसी जगह पे स्नोफॉल बहुत होता है तो वहाँ लोग तिरछी छत बनाते हैं, स्लांटिंग रूफ बनाते हैं, जिससे बर्फ़ पिघलने पर नीचे गिर जाती है. अगर कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है तो लोग वहाँ पे मिट्टी की दीवारें और घास फूस से घर बनाते हैं, थैच से घर बनाते हैं, रूफ बनाते हैं, जिससे घर ठंडे रहते हैं. नंबर 2, मटेरियल्स अवेलेबल इन द एरिया. उस जगह पे किस तरह का मटेरियल अवेलेबल है. अगर वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट एरिया ज़्यादा है तो वुड से घर बनाना प्रेफर करेंगे. और अगर सीमेंट, कंक्रीट, सैंड इस तरह का मटेरियल अवेलेबल है तो लोग इन मटेरियल्स को प्रेफर करते हैं घर बनाने के लिए. नंबर 3, मनी दैट अ पर्सन कैन स्पेंड. ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है कि जिस पर्सन ने घर बनाना है, अगर उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है तो वो कहीं से भी किसी भी तरीके का मटेरियल अपने घर को बनाने के लिए यूज़ कर सकता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ the houses in cold region. Children, Arctic is the northernmost region of the earth. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. So the people use slabs of ice to build dome-shaped houses. As you can see in the picture, गोल गुंबद जैसे घर बनाते हैं, which are called igloos, and the people who live there are called Eskimos or Inuits. Next is wooden houses, लकड़ी के घर. In forest regions of America, people build houses with logs of wood. लकड़ी के लट्ठों से, लकड़ी के फट्टों से घर बनाते हैं. Because there is plenty of means large amount of wood available, and wood is a good insulator. Children, insulator is the material that do not allow heat or cold to flow through, even not the electric current also. Next is the houses in hot and dry regions. In hot and dry areas like Mexico country, houses are made with flat roofs having mud walls. Children, mud walls keep the house cool and they use flat roofs to sleep at night. जैसे कि हम भी यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होने पर छतों पे सोते हैं, खुली हवा में सोते हैं. Children, Egyptians, the people of Egypt, were the first to build mud houses. Egyptians पहले लोग थे जिन्होंने मिट्टी के घर बनाए. They always paint their houses with white color as white color reflects the heat of sun. It does not absorb the heat. क्योंकि इजिप्ट में बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है तो लोग वहाँ पे अक्सर अपने घरों को वाइट कलर से पेंट करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस नो अबाउट द हाउसेस इन एरियाज विद हैवी रेनफॉल, जहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होती है. Children, in places where there is too much rainfall, floods occur. and their houses are built on stilts. Stilts are the wooden poles that protect it from floods. बाढ़ आने से पानी भर जाता है और वुडन पोल्स जो हैं वो घर को रेज्ड रखते हैं, रेज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं, जिस वजह से वो फ्लड से बचे रहते हैं. सच काइंड ऑफ हाउसेज आर very common in eastern region of India like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, etc. Now let us know more about different types of houses. You must be familiar with some of the types. First one is temporary houses. Such houses are built for vacations or holidays or because of climate of the place. Like fishermen make temporary houses using coconut leaves. Next is tents. Tents are used for camping and holidays again, and they are made of waterproof materials like canvas cloth or nylon. Children, waterproof means that keeps out water. Next is caravans. Caravans are the moving houses or the houses on wheels. पहियों के ऊपर चलने वाले घर. Earlier they were pulled by the animals like horses or bullocks, but nowadays they are pulled by cars or trucks. Vanity vans used by film stars are the example of caravans, which has all the facilities of a house. Next is houseboats. These are the houses that float on water. They are generally found in Kashmir, Kerala, and in Hong Kong, Holland, etc. Children, the last one is modern houses. In present times, we people live in the big or small, single or multi-storied houses, which are made of bricks, cement, glass, iron, wood, etc. In cities, expensive bungalows are there, which are very big houses with lawns, parking space, and other facilities. Such houses are the modern houses. I hope you understood the content well.